Yabona lo ngikuphethe la. Kufanele nina njengoba ningafundile. Niyabona la. Ukhulunywa ngesikolo sangasese sasebusuku esifana namakhehla afana nanje.
Hey. Nkosi la ngene ijazi etshwalo lwemadoda. Isikole sasebusuku sibeko. Hayi bobu uthi uyadlala wena. Ngiyaneke lemfundo oyithole ebusuku ke. Emini bese uyisebenzisa kanjani ke chaza ke?
Uma uphambisa isandla umnyama uthi ubona kanjani?
Angikhulumi ngabo umnyama stupid.
Ngimele la kwelekrani.
Hayibo.
Ngimele bajimbozi. Ngimele ama-outsami ngimncanywa nonke. Akekho umuntu ongalimele. Ngimele nonke.
Bafana is the best team in the world. Hey, Bafana.
Africa, let's go. Come on. Finally. I'm a piano in the mud. The Super Eagles are going to that World Cup, whether you like it or not. That's the reaction all of you expected from me when that news came out, Abi. Since this news came out, I never get peace of mind. From my DMs to comments. Two people sent me email saying, I think I react to this news.
I told you, Mzansi, when you bottle the lead, I told you, South Africa are sitting on top of the World Cup qualification group like an elephant on the tree. It is only a matter of time. South Africa have now been deducted 3 points and 3 goals going to Lesotho. Lesotho now they are on 9 points. 2 behind the Super Eagles. Super Eagles, 11 points. South Africa, 14 points. Benin, 14 points. 2 games to go. 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 We die here. My coach, Adeleke Amruchi, you and the Rwandan players know what to do. You know the assignment. Do the job. We will do our job. We will win our 2 games and it's over. And South African fans, I told you you will bottle it. I told you. Remember me. I'm not seeing your comments again, oh. You whip Zimbabwe at home. I'm not seeing your comments again, oh.
I said it. Badimu baphala balui. Badimu baphala balui. Yes. Finally. The wait is over, Bafethu. We have done it on our own. We didn't need no calculators, no help from nobody. Okay, we did need help from somebody, but we did it on our own, Bafethu. It was in our hands. Finally, South Africa World Cup bound for the first time since 2010. 2010, Bafethu. We are playing a World Cup. Well, for the first time since 2002. 2002. We are going to the World Cup via qualification. Yes, Bafethu, I'm back again. Igama usabelo mfana kamdluli. Back again, back with another video. Smash the like button, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to your boy Bafethu. Cause guess what? Your boys, the boys, Bafana, siya America, siya Morocco. World Cup. It's not in America, Bafethu. Ngakhohle. It's gonna be played nase Morocco, nase Spain. Ningakhohle, Bafethu. It's not America all alone, but the boys have done it. Inhliziyo yami couldn't take it anymore. Seeing Bafana fail time and time again. 06, we didn't go. 2010, cool. We were hosting. 2014, we didn't go. 2018, we didn't go. 2002, we didn't go. What an embarrassment, Buffett. But this time around, we are going to the World Cup. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Bafana finally going to the World Cup. Hugo Boss. No. Hugo Boss. Hugo, you are the real boss. Ngangitshela laba basesafa laba kade bahlezi phezulu laba ngama suit and ties. No, those are not the real bosses. Those are mafias. The real boss is Hugo. Hugo Boss. First and foremost, let me start this video by thanking Nigeria. Thanking the man of the moment, the best striker in Africa, in my opinion, Victor Osimhen. Hat-trick hero, Victor Osimhen. You did it for us, Bafethu. Nakhodlu Victor Osimhen didn't play the last fixture we threw against Nigeria. He was not there. Thank you to you, Victor Osimhen, that we got a point there. We don't know if you were there because of Zagalan, but thank you for not being available for the final game, but you were available for the last 2 games, of which you were a contributing factor. Victor Osimhen, build him a statue. Build him a statue. Not like South Africa. Not here in South Africa. Build him a statue in Nigeria somewhere. I don't know. I don't care where is it. I'm not involved into the Nigeria, but build him a statue. Football tribe, yo, football tribe. You were mocking us all along when we were docked 3 points. Football tribe, you know who you are. You know who you are. You were mocking us. Now I'm about to mock you guys. Because guess what? You are the reason we are going to the World Cup. I said it. Nigeria will be the reason we are going to the World Cup. Yeah, fine. You are going to the playoffs and all and that. Good luck. I will not be watching. Honestly speaking, I ain't bugele my game win. Because mina, AFCON and the World Cup when it comes to Bafana. Thank you, Victor Osimhen. Thank you. Okay, now let's talk about this club and country stuff. Kaizer Chiefs supporters, calm down, relax, Bafethu. Relaxan, Mduduzi Shabalala ungenile izolo. He got a cameo, he played. But guess who played too? Fistos Ntwari. That's what I call him. Fistos. He conceded 3 goals and the first one. Fistos, Fistos, the first goal you conceded, Brown paper bags, I doubt. Did they talk to you? Who spoke to you, Fistos? Niyabona Kaizer Chiefs fans. Yabona ukuthi niya contributor sometimes. You are going to the World Cup because of one of your players. One of your players was involved in us going to the World Cup. He was a mitigating factor for us going to the World Cup. Fistos, Nyabonga. This thing of clubism, Nyabona ukuthi abantu bayakhala ngapha nangapha. Hugo Boss shouldn't be speaking about a player with. Come on, guys. If he spoke about your players, take it with a pinch of salt. I understand ukuthi I'm a player with Pirates and Sundowns in the national team, but if your club is not there and your players are not there, you are not going to be there. So relaxani, calm down. We are going to the World Cup, and I can bet you there are some Kaizer Chiefs players who have a chance of going to the World Cup. There are some. One, he's injured, by the way. The first one, I can think off the back of my mind. Totally. Rashid Totally. He is the one for me who has a chance of going to the World Cup. Mduduzi Shabalala, I don't know about him. It's gonna depend for me, whether he's playing out of his skin, he's doing unbelievable things like Mfukeng was doing at Pirates, like Unkota was doing at Pirates. That's why they're in the national team. Mduduzi Shabalala, keep your head down, play your best football, and I bet you are going to go to AFCON. Let's take away World Cup. AFCON, you are going to go there. So relaxani, Kaizer Chiefs supporters. There's still time for our players when we have a squad team. There's still time, even though but there's still time. Miguel Cardoso, do not kill our first team players. Nyakucela. Mutau, don't kill Mutau. Ronin Williams, don't kill Ronin Williams. Don't kill Tebo Mokoena. Don't kill them. If you kill them, don't kill Reynas. Don't. Because if you kill them, I am going to be Cardozo out now. I'm going to be Cardozo out. If you kill those players, Mudiba, the list goes on. If you kill those players, I am going to be Cardozo out. I'm Cardozo in right now, but if you do that, I am Cardozo out. Safa. You survived this time around. Ni survivile. Nina. Safa. Danny Jordan. Still, Bafit, I don't want this Matala back in that hot seat. He needs to be ousted after a World Cup because I know he will be there. He'll still be there. And emails awayawantwana Bafit. Safa, do not fraud. Do not take the money nifake pokoteni lenu. Nipenda bafana labo imali zabo. The bonuses, mali yokuya ku World Cup, all the shenanigans. Nibaphe imali zabo zonke. I do not want any problems and do not want to hear any nkingas. No nkingas, no issues. No corruption, no nothing like that. Give the players what they deserve and the players will perform. I can bet you on that. AFCON is around the corner. It's December, AFCON, Buffett. If you keep these players happy, you never know what's gonna happen. We might win AFCON. We're not favorites. We know who are the favorites are. Morocco, they are the host. But if you win AFCON, imagine the excitement. Imagine the players, how will be they feeling going to a World Cup. We'll be like looking at each other like, Bafanas. Moses ngai win AFCON kanje. Come on. Bafanas, if you can win AFCON, you can go as far as possible to World Cup. Morocco did it to the semi-finals. Let's try to make it at least to the last 16. It's not about the vibes, but it's no. It's not about vibes, it's about results and going as far as you can. Far as you can. Vincent Tseka. Nimbonile wafethu. I don't know if you've seen the clip, but I saw it. The man was doing this camera. The camera was following him. He was doing like this. Ubani wena Vincent Tseka. You dodged the bullet. No, you did not dodge your bullet, my G. Heads must roll. You must be fired wena Vincent Tseka. Uyapapa. Who are you shushing? Are you shushing us? Us, the supporters, the South Africans who are criticizing you. Because we are the only people, South Africans, who are criticizing you. No one else. The Nigerian media was not criticizing you. Rwanda media not criticizing you. Benin media, it was only South Africans. We were the only ones who were saying, you must be fired. Then you've got the nerve, we are Cameroonians. Then you, fuck you. Get out, wena. Slima. We slima. Were we gonna do this if we didn't qualify for World Cup? Guess what? You were not gonna do this because you were never going to be seen. Bozos fihla. In fact, bozo hlala kuma changing rooms usivalele lapha. Because now we won, we are ku camera yenza kanje. Who the hell do you think you are wena? Jesus. Ay abanye abantu abana ngqondo abanye abantu. Calm down. No, not calm down. Be humble. Be humble. Masiphaphile. Because guess what? Heads must roll. You must be left out. Ungayi World Cup. Mina hlala uVincent Tseka lapha. Umbokazi is suspended for the first game of the World Cup, by the way. Mbokazi is suspended for the first World Cup game, by the way. You got it for free, Buffett. Buffett, I'm happy. I'm excited. Bafana, for the first time since 2010 to the World Cup. Done. It's finished. AFCON is the main focus now. Do well in AFCON, then sizobabona ku-World Cup. Bafethu, please like the video, subscribe to your boy, share whatever the shingdings you wanna do. Kama usabelo umfana kamdluli. I'm out.